Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to set up AutoDS on Shopify. So let us get in. You can see over here, I am currently on AutoDS, and you can have multiple stores on AutoDS, and also you are able to link them with one AutoDS account. So on the left hand side, you can see this is the current store that I have linked, and this is an eBay store. Now what I can do here at the bottom is tap on add store, and here I can select the store of choice. Now I'm going to go ahead with the Shopify store for this video, and we're going to tap on continue. Now again, what you need to do is you need to create a new payment or a new payment plan. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to choose this one here, and it will be billed annually after your trial period that they offer for 99 cents. All right, so we've got our payment details here. We're going to tap on confirm, and we now have a Shopify store added to our AutoDS account. So you can see over here, you can obviously upgrade your plan, but for now, this store is added. Now, what you want to do is go over to Shopify, and here you can go into the App Store, and right at the bottom, you will see Shopify App Store. All right, and you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store, and here we want to go ahead and we want to type in AutoDS. And once you've done so, you will get the results. So here, the very first result is the AutoDS drop shipping and pod extension. Okay, so this is the one that we want. We're going to click on that, and here we're going to tap on install. Now this will integrate AutoDS with Shopify, and you can see now that it is busy integrating. All right, so it'll take a few minutes to actually integrate, but you can see over here you need to grant access. So we're going to go ahead and tap on install over here, and on the next page you will see that you are now connected. So now if you go into your Shopify store, so let's go back here and let's close this. You will notice after you refresh the page that you will have an additional app over here, which will be your AutoDS. Ladies and gentlemen, if this guide was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.